Age doesn't matter. Jericho, tahasang inamin na nagdalawang isip pormahan si Janine dahil sa agwat ng edad. Aminado ang aktor na si Jericho Rosales na nagalangan siyang pormahan ng aktres na si Janine Gutierrez dahil sa agwat ng kanilang edad. Sa YouTube vlog ng broadcast journalist na si Karen Davila, inilahad ni Jericho na ang buong akala niya ay 24 years old pa lamang si Janine, kaya napaisip siya kung itutuloy ba niya ang panliligaw rito. Nagugat ang pag-amin ni Jericho nang maungkat ni Karen ang getting to know each other at dating stage nila ni Janine. When I heard about it, true, I was so happy because I already interviewed Janine and she just has that beauty, that purity, that innocence. It just glows. Ani Karen, I agreed with you on that. The purity part, so pure. I thought she was 24. EJ, my makeup artist, said that she's 24. And I said, what? Okay, bye. Alam mo yon? Bye. I'm not dating a 24 years old girl. Ani Jericho. Sinabi rin ni Jericho na napasearch siya sa internet sa edad ni Janine para makumpirma kung ano ba talaga ang edad nito. I Google na 34 na siya. Sabi ko, oh, okay, pwede pala, pwede pa pala. Anang aktor, matatanda na 10 taon ang agwat ng edad ng dalawa kung saan 44 na si Jericho at 34 naman si Janine.
Being afraid, would I be able to love again? She's just like really like this big white energy. She's that good energy, and I was like drawn to that. So pure that I thought she was 24. I'm not dating a 24-year-old girl. Google, oh, okay, pwede pala. I can spend 6 hours talking to this girl. That's when I felt something.
Okay.
I'm alive again, and I don't want the spark to go away.
Well, kung tutuusin, wala naman talaga sa edad dyan. Ang mahalaga, nagmamahalan kayo at swak ang mga personality nyo sa isa't isa. At hindi naman talaga big deal ang edad. Kaya naman tumutok tayo dahil for sure, sa totohanan na mauuwi ang Econin, konting push na lang. Kung nagustuhan nyo ang video na ito, comment down below.